Hi friends, in the last session we have discussed that all types of functions. Okay, we have discussed that all types of functions. Clear? So what are the all functions means? So once we define a function, so ways to call that function and which are valid and which are invalid, like we discussed as part of in the last session. Okay, so in this session we are going to discuss about the types of variables. Okay, in this session we are going to discuss about the types of variables. So today our focus is on types of variables types of variables types of variables. Normally Python supports two types of variables. One is a global variable and the second one is a local variable. Okay, so normally Python supports two types of variables. One is a global variable, second one is a local variable. So what is global variable and what is local variable? Observe carefully the now with the example. Let me open ideally. Okay. So here what I am taking means first of all let me write the theory sum. Next we'll go for Python supports two types of variable. Okay, Python supports two types of variables. Python supports two types of variables. Supports two types of variables. One is a global variable. Second one is a local variables. Okay, second one is what a local variables. So first one is a global variable. Okay, first one is nothing but what a global variable. So global variable is nothing but if you declare the variable outside of function, so it is available throughout the function. Okay, that means the variable, okay, the variable which are declared, okay, which are declared outside of function, are called global variables. Okay, global variables. The variables which are declared outside of function is nothing but global variables. Okay, and one more point. Okay, these variables are these variables are accessed in all functions throughout that module throughout that module throughout that module. So how it will access throughout the module means observe here I'm writing one program. Okay, here I'm writing one program. Def I'm taking m1 function. Okay, def m1 I'm taking def m1 I'm taking print of a print of a. Next what I'm taking means I'm taking another function def m2. Okay, def m2 print of b print of b. Here m1 function and m2 function. Okay, m1 function and m2 function. I'm declaring a I'm accessing value a and accessing value b. Okay, let me access only a. So here I'm declaring a equal to 10, which is nothing but a global variable. Okay, which is nothing but what a global variable. See here the thing what happening is this is global variable. This variable can be accessed throughout the function. So inside function it is available and outside of function also it is available. Okay, outside of function also available. Okay, here 10 will get, here 10 will get, and here so total 3 times a it will print. Okay, total 3 times a value it will print. Clear, right? This is nothing but what a global variable. Okay, this is nothing but what a global variable. Next, next point is nothing but what local variables. Okay, next point is nothing but what local variables. Local variables is nothing but just opposite to the global variable. Okay, it is nothing but opposite to the global variable. Okay, the variables which are declared, okay, which are declared inside a function. Okay, the variables which are declared inside a function are called local variables, are called local variables. Second point, local variables are available only within the function. Okay, local variables are available only within function. Okay, within function, within function in which function we are declared, in which function we declared. Okay, in which function we declared. Okay, observe here, just with in the same example I'm considering, but what I'm doing means here I'm declaring the value a equal to 10. Okay, I'm declaring the value a equal to 10. So now it is become a local variable. Okay, now it is become what a local variable, local variable. So before the time I have declared a equal 10 outside, but here local variable means inside function I have declared. So the variable which are declared inside function, it is available only within this function. Outside of the function it is not possible. Okay, outside of the function it is not possible. So if you are trying to access here, it will get error here. Okay, here you will get error, and here also you will get error. Okay, here also you will get a error. First observe here, I'm running m1 function, you will get the answer 10. Okay, you will get answer 10, but in the second case we will get a error. A is not defined. Okay, A is not defined. See here 10 getting, but in the second case name error is saying that name A error, name A is not defined. Okay, this is what we have to know on local variable. Okay, this is what we have to understand on local variables, right? Clear, right? So in this session we have observed that two types of variables. One is global variable and the second one is a local variable. Global variables means the variable which are declared outside of function. Okay, outside of function are nothing but global variables. These variables can be accessed throughout a function. Okay, I'm accessing inside function and outside function, so we are getting 10. Local variables means the variable which you declared inside function, that is available only within the function, and outside of the function it is not possible. Okay, outside of function it is not possible, and that's why we are here getting error, name error, a is not defined. Okay, this is what we have to know as part of local variables and global variables. Okay, if you are having any questions friends, please post your query in the comment section or reach out to my email id in the given description. Okay, please post your query in the comment section if you are having any doubt. Okay, if you are watching for the channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.